Have you noticed something lately? Every AI tool seems to be getting smarter. Claude, Cursor, ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot. AI agents are becoming more powerful every month. But there's a problem. Most AI tools still live inside a box. They can answer questions, generate code, write content, but they can't easily interact with your tools, your database, your APIs, your files, or your applications. And that's exactly why MCP was created. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. And if you've never heard of it before, don't worry, you're not alone. But many developers believe MCP could become one of the most important standards in the AI ecosystem. So what exactly is MCP? Think of it as a universal connector. A standard way for AI models to communicate with external tools and systems. Instead of building custom integrations for every AI application, developers can use MCP. One protocol, many tools. Before MCP, things were messy. If you wanted an AI assistant to access your database, you needed a custom integration. If you wanted it to search files, another integration. If you wanted it to interact with APIs, yet another integration. Every tool required different logic, different implementations, different maintenance. As AI agents became more popular, this approach stopped scaling. Developers needed a better solution. A common language, a standard, and that's where MCP comes in. Imagine you hire a new employee. On day one, they need access to email, documents, internal systems, and company tools. Without a standard process, everything becomes complicated. MCP solves a similar problem for AI. It gives AI models a structured way to discover and use tools without needing custom integrations every time. Let's make this practical. Imagine you're using an AI coding assistant. You ask, show me all users who registered this week. The AI needs data, but the data lives inside a database. Without MCP, a custom integration would be required. With MCP, the AI can connect through a standardized interface, request information, receive results, and continue the conversation. The same thing applies to files, APIs, documentation, cloud platforms, development tools, and much more. This is why many people compare MCP to USB. Before USB, every device had different connectors, cables, and standards. Then USB arrived, and everything became simpler. MCP aims to do something similar for AI. One protocol, many integrations, consistent communication. Now let's talk about MCP servers, because this is where things get really interesting. An MCP server exposes capabilities to AI models. Think of it as a bridge between the AI and an external system. For example, you could have an MCP server connected to GitHub, PostgreSQL, Google Drive, Slack, or Notion. The AI doesn't need to know how every system works internally. It simply communicates through MCP, and the server handles the details. This unlocks entirely new possibilities. Instead of answering questions only, AI agents can perform actions, retrieve information, and automate workflows. This is one reason MCP is becoming so important. Because modern AI is moving beyond conversation toward action. Developers are no longer asking, can AI generate code? They're asking, can AI help run my workflow? And MCP helps make that possible. Now let's look at developer tools. Many modern platforms are already embracing MCP. Tools like Claude Code, Cursor, and other AI-powered environments are increasingly adopting MCP-based integrations. Because context matters. The more context an AI has, the more useful it becomes. And MCP provides a structured way to deliver that context. Imagine an AI assistant that can read project files, search documentation, query databases, and review pull requests from a single conversation. That's the future MCP is helping build. But here's something important. MCP isn't replacing APIs, and it's not replacing software engineering. Think of MCP as a communication layer, a standardized way for AI systems to discover and use capabilities. The underlying systems still exist, the APIs still exist, the databases still exist. MCP simply helps connect them. And honestly, we're still in the early stages. But many developers believe MCP could become a foundational technology for AI agents. Just like HTTP became foundational for the web. Will every AI tool use MCP? Probably not. But it's becoming increasingly clear that standardization is necessary, especially as AI systems become more capable. And that's why MCP matters. Not because it's another buzzword, but because it solves a real problem. The problem of connecting AI to the tools developers use every day. So if you're learning about AI agents, developer tools, or the future of software development, MCP is worth understanding. Because the next generation of AI won't just answer questions. It will interact with systems and work alongside developers, and MCP may become one of the key technologies making that future possible. So what do you think? Have you used MCP yet? Or is this your first time hearing about it? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy practical content about AI development, subscribe to Tech for Know-How. Thanks for watching.